working right now?
Yeah, it's working.
Rub on the stars? All right. Go get them.
Hello. And what is your name?
My name is Primitivo Montoya.
What do you do for a living, sir?
I work for the wastewater management, the city of Denver. I'm a senior utility worker.
What are you going to do for us today?
I'm going to sing and dance today.
You sing and dance?
Yeah.
Let's see what you do, sir.
When you're ready.
Come on, T-Mo. Let your star shine. I want to dance. I hit the fucking got my plan. I'm wearing all my favorite friends. Faces off my hands. Yeah. Put my hands up in the air. No. Stay back. We got the medic on hand because T-Mo just danced his way off the stage. Sorry, I tried to.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
For sure.
For sure.
You feel no pain.
My hands hurt a little bit.
This is not your thing. This is dangerous. Sharon didn't press the button. I pressed Sharon's button, and I pressed it because I saved your life. Do you realize how close you came to killing yourself?
Yeah,
Do you realize how close you came?
could have got hurt.
Thank you so much.
We have to vote. No, we have to vote. No.
Thank you.
Go talk to the ambulance.
I thought we lost it.
I did too. I had to turn around though. I couldn't see.
Primo fell short of moving to Las Vegas, and it seems like the talent in Atlanta